Well, here's a quick little video on how to use and access all of the information, all the images, all the 3Ds, all the videos, YouTube, whatever we've done for you. You can quickly access it online anytime. We actually use our own cloud, specifically because we have full control of it. It's quicker actually than Google Drive. We have a very fast dedicated server on a fiber optic network. But anyhow, it's easy for you to use as well. All you got to do is go to your normal browser, such as this one, type in certified, roi.com/dir. This URL is actually in an email that we sent you, so you can copy and paste it, and that way you can make a shortcut so you can access it quick and easy whenever you want. That email will also include your username and password as well. So if you click this, you get the screen. This is our cloud. You will type in your username and password. I'm going to type in my own here. Bear with me for a second. Now what you're going to see is different than what I see. I have a number of folders here. If you are a supervisor, you can have obviously a number of apartments. If you're a single apartment, you'll just see your apartment itself, and you will start seeing floor plans and photos and such things like that. So, and the nice thing about this is we can set up username and passwords for supervisors, gives them access to everything, and then to managers so they have access to their own community. So it's very flexible. We can set it up any way you want. I'm going to use the example of Whispering Meadows here. We break it down with floor plans, photos, print ads, video. Any videos we have are going to be here. Now there's two types of videos. You can actually have the hard copy of it, which is the actual file. It's rather large, but has its advantages and disadvantages. And then we also have a couple of documents here that will have your URL links. So if we're using YouTube or if we've got it online like your 3Ds and such, but I'll go into that in just a second. So why don't we look at, and here's your print ads, all the print ads that you've had with us. You can open them up here and take a look at them if you want. We're going to look at photos. Photos are broken down according to floor plans, clubhouses, exteriors, fitness centers, things like that. So I'm going to use the exterior here, for example. Now, by default, it uses a list view, which is nice. You'll notice here there's some check boxes. You can go through here and check them one by one, or you can click this to check them all. And you can actually download everything all at one time that way. And again, that way you can use it wherever you want. You don't have to do it individually. Now it downloads it into a zip file. Now a zip file is a very, very common format. Don't let it scare you. It's just any good cloud-based system, whenever you're downloading multiple files, will zip them to save space and bandwidth. So, all right, so basically if we did that, we would have access to the zip file. I actually did a test zip here, and this is what you'd see after you did the download. And it's real easy. If you click on that file and you right-click, you'll see right here, extract all, and it will take that compressed zip file and make it into a normal folder or directory, and you have complete access. You'll see all your photos in it. So again, that's a nice way to do it if you want to do it all at once. So simple process like that. Click download, creates a zip file. You can even name that zip file, and you'll put it anywhere on your computer where you want it. So that's how you do them in bulk. Okay, I'll show you another way to do it, which is kind of neat. You can actually look at thumbnails. So again, all I'm doing is touching this up or right hand icon here. That is your thumbnail view. This is your list view. And I'll go back to thumbnail view. So this way you can look at all your exterior shots at one time, which is really nice. What's nice about that is you can, if you click on any of these, You can actually scroll through them, forward and backwards, and say if you're looking for just a perfect shot for maybe like one or two, photos that you want to use on a particular ad or such. And then you'll notice up here, you can download it. So if you click this, you can actually download just that one photo wherever you want. So pretty easy. I'm not sure one by one download, and plus a real nice view feature on that. Now to close out of this, all you can do is hit that X, and you're back to the thumbnail view. And again, I'm using my scroll wheel here to go up and down on my mouse. Back to list view. Pretty straightforward. So that's the exterior photos right there. Now let's talk about, again, your videos will be in here, print ads here, photos in here. That's where we just were. If you want to look at different floor plans, I mean, obviously here's another floor plan. You can grab those, download them as one into a zip file or individually, and look through them on the thumbnails or back to the list view. Whatever works for you. A lot of flexibility, very, very easy to use. I'm going to go back to the list view, and I'm going to go back to the main Whispering Meadows directory here. Now you notice here's a docs file. You don't really need to use that. You can if you want. But we use that because we actually, when we're adding new things, we'll add them to it. It's a lot easier to edit than a PDF file. But whenever we make edits, we create a PDF file. PDF file is nice because if you click on it, our cloud system will actually allow you to see everything here. Here is a link directly to your rentfit.com direct page, so you can look at it and verify it, make sure everything's just the way you want it on it. Then you've got your exterior 360s. Now, these are actually URLs. So if you really want to see this, it's not something where we physically have the hard file. All 360s are hosted with a larger company. We use a particular company called Cubix. We like it best right now. But you can take and you can highlight this or click it, and it'll actually open up. That's a little tricky there, but you can copy and paste this into a browser, and it will actually play that 360 right in your browser. Same thing with your fitness center, clubhouse, or whatever 360 we have for you. Now, you can take these URLs and you can create hyperlinks in your websites so that any of your websites can click to these. You can also use hyperlinks on some of the social medias. Craigslist lets you do it, but they don't allow active hyperlinks anymore, but you can still copy and paste them into your copy, but someone actually physically has to copy them and put them in their browser. But more and more people are becoming familiar with these sort of things. We have the video in the YouTube here, but again, we also have a direct MP4 file for you too that was in the video directory I showed you a little while ago. You don't see it here, but this is how you would actually access our website to make any edits on it. You would have the link here. All you do is click the link and take you right there. Copy and paste your username and password. So we try to make it easy. And as we add more things, you'll see everything listed here with quick clicks to go directly there. And also you can copy and paste and use anything you want in any other website. Also too, if you want to use the 360s on your own website, that's easy to do, but we have to provide you what's called an embed code, which is just a long list of code, which is just software stuff, the way that they write software. And so a developer knows exactly what to do with it. We send it over to them, and they'll place them in what's called containers. So it's just kind of like a box that you put the code in, and then when your website's live, it'll show a thumbnail picture of your 3D, and if someone clicks on it, it'll play for you just like it'll play for us. So Well, anyhow, I hope this helps you out here a little bit. Now you know how to access everything and what you've got. And like I said, as we add more things, you'll see more and more coming up here. We've made tremendous headway, but we're still moving through. And again, we're working around vacancies as well too, which is also a good thing. I mean, you're almost 100% full all the time, but we got to squeeze in there in those few days when you're fixing things up right before they move in so we can take our 3Ds or 360s and such. So, but we really appreciate your business and we'll continue to work hard to bring you more leads and definitely a higher quality of render. And again, our main goal here is we're trying to give you all the tools so that you can promote your community image because you spend how much fixing up your community constantly. Well, now you can fix up your online image because that's the way people see you nowadays. If they see an average online image, yeah, you're not going to attract the best renders. So it's just like if someone come and visit your site directly. So that's our goal with this is not only provide you good leads, good quality of leads, but also to give you all the tools so that you can promote your community anywhere you want and have full control over it. So thanks again for using RentFit.